Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a monitor wall mount. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a reliable drill, a stud finder to locate secure points, and a level for perfect alignment. Don't forget your VESA mount screws, a screwdriver, a pencil for marking, and a tape measure. Having everything ready beforehand makes the installation process much smoother and safer, ensuring now that you have your tools, the next crucial step is finding the right spot on your wall. Use your stud finder to locate the center of at least 2 wall studs. These wooden beams provide the necessary support for your mount. Mark these centers with a pencil at the exact height you want your monitor. Always use a spirit level to ensure these marks are perfectly horizontal, preventing a crooked display. Now let's add the interaction. Navigate to the Prototype tab in Figma. Select the element you want to be draggable, then click the plus icon to add an interaction. For the trigger, choose on drag. This tells Figma to initiate the animation when a user swipes. For the animation type, select Smart Animate. This powerful feature intelligently interpolates between your frames, creating a smooth and natural-looking swipe transition. You're just a few clicks away from a dynamic interaction. Finally, let's get your monitor on the wall. First, attach the VESA mounting plate to the back of your monitor using the 4 screws provided with your mount. Then, with a helper, carefully lift your monitor and hook the VESA plate onto the wall bracket. Ensure it clicks securely into place. The last step is managing your cables. Use cable ties or sleeves to neatly bundle and conceal them, giving your setup a clean, professional finish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.